Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Moving forward to question number 6 of exercise 5b. If k is equal to p plus 2q upon 3, find the value of p when k is given as 7 and q is given as 9. Let's start. First of all, we convert this formula with respect to finding p, like that. P is equal to this 3 multiply with 3k, like that. Now plus 2q become minus 2q. Now putting the values that is given, like that. 3 times of 7 minus 2 times of q is 9. For solving, 3 times 7 is 21 minus 2 times 9 is 18 and 21 less 18 is 3. So our p will become 3. That is our required answer. Now coming to the question number 7. If u is equal to pi bracket r plus h, then find the value of r when u is given as 16 into half and h is equal to 2. Let's start. Like previous question, we have to manipulate this formula according to r, like that. R is equal to this pi is multiplied with r plus h, so we move this pi to this side, like that. U upon h, u upon pi, and h is plus with r, so then it will become minus h. Now putting the values of given, u is 16 and half, it means 33 upon 2 upon 22 upon 7, that is the value of pi. It is understood, that's why it is not given. Minus h, h is 2. Now we can write it as 32 upon 2 divided by 22 upon 7, then this whole thing is subtracted by 2. We reciprocate by changing the sign, like that. 33 upon 2 multiply with 7 upon 22 and minus 2. So 3 times 11 is 33 and 2 times 11 is 22. So 3 times 7 is 21 and 2 multiplied with 2 is 4 minus 2. By taking the LCM of 4 and 1, we get 21 minus 2 multiplied by 4. So what we get is 21 minus 8 upon 4. 28 minus 21 minus 8 is equal to 13 upon 4, or we can write it as 3 1 upon 4. So our r will become 3 whole 1 upon 4, and that is our required answer. Now moving towards the question number 8. If v square is equal to u square plus 2gs, find the value of s when v is given as 25, u is given as 12 and g is given as 10. Now first of all, we convert this given formula into our required formula, like that. S is equal to v square less u square upon 2g. Now substitute the value of given variables, like that. V square means square of 25 minus u square, that is 12 square, upon 2g, 2 times of 10. By solving, what we get is 25 square of 25 is 625 less square of 12 is 144 upon 2 times of 10 is 20. So if we subtract 625 minus 144, what we get is 481 upon 20. If we divide 481 with 20, we get 24 whole, because 24 multiplied with 20 is 480 plus 1. So our S will become 24 whole 1 upon 20, and that is our required answer. Now moving towards the next question, question number 9. If A upon B minus D is equal to 2C upon B, then find the value of C when A is given as 3, B is 4 and D is less 5. First of all, in first step, we convert this formula to our required formula. So C can be written as A upon B minus D. This B is divided by 2C, so when it comes to this, it can multiply like that, and this 2 will become like that. So C is equal to B upon 2 bracket A minus B minus A upon B minus D. By putting the values, B is 4, so we can write as 4 upon 2 bracket A upon B 3 upon 4 less D is minus 5 . So 4 upon 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so we write it 2 bracket 3 upon 4 minus plus 5. We take the LCM of 4 and 1, what we get is 4, 3 plus 4 times of 5, 2 bracket 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, so we get 23 upon 4. We can cut out these two numbers, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so we get 23 upon 2, or we can write it as 11 whole 1 upon 2. That is equal to C, and which is our required answer. Now, second question of today's lecture, question number 10. If A is equal to 1 upon A minus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon D, find C when A is equal to half, B is equal to 1/4 and D is equal to minus 1 upon 5. So first of all, we have to manipulate this formula to our required formula like that. 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon A minus 1 upon B minus 1 upon D. By substituting the values, what we get, 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon half less 1 upon 1/4 less 1 upon minus 1 upon 5. Or we can write as 1 upon C is equal to 1 divided by 1 upon half minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4 minus 1 divided by minus 1 upon 5. By reciprocate all these numbers, what we get is 1 multiplied with 1 upon 2, sorry, multiplied with 2 upon 1 minus 1 multiplied with 4 upon 1 minus 1 multiply with minus 5 upon 1. By solving, we get 1 upon c is equal to 2 minus 4 minus minus plus 5 times 1 is 5. So our 1 upon c becomes 2 less 4 is minus 2 plus 5 is 3. By cross multiplication, what we get is 1 upon 3 is equal to c, and that is our required answer. Let's start our last question of the lecture. Question number 11. If n is equal to m upon x plus q, find the value of q when it is given n is equal to 1 whole 4 upon 5, m is equal to 9 and x is equal to 2. First of all, we have to manipulate this formula by our required formula for our ease, like that q m upon n minus x. Now putting the values that is given, m is 9 upon n is 1 whole 4 upon 5. It means 5 times 1 is 5 plus 9. So m is 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5 minus x minus 2. Now we can write it as 9 divided by 9 upon 5 minus 2. And when we reciprocate, it will become 5 upon 9 minus 2. So we can cut out this 9 with this 9, and remaining terms is 5 minus 2, that is 3, which is the value of q, and it is our required answer. So hopefully you understand all the 6 questions. If you face any problem, let me know. Thank you for watching.